Medical coders, good news for you. There is a huge demand for the skilled medical coders. I know that you got training and you certified. I am into this industry since 20 years. We observed that skill is very important, plays a major role in the jobs and interview. To fill that gap, MEDESUN partnered with a company called PMBA US LLC, which is managed by the MEDESUN Group of companies. We are providing medical coding internship. Internship is only for the medical coders who are certified and unemployed. In internship, we are going to provide 500 medical records, live work experience, mock interviews, and evaluation. Training is for 2 to 3 months. It's not a training, basically, it's a skill-based training. Every day, 4 hours you spend in front of the trainers and mentors. They explain you each and every medical record. They prepare you for the interviews. Automatically, when you go for any interview, you get the job. So you know very well, certification helps you to get into the door, but skill helps you to get into the room, right? So skill is must. Come to MEDESUN. I'm going to provide a free medical coding internship for all MEDESUN alumni. MEDESUN alumni can get the internship online at no charge. And if you are not from MEDESUN, no problem. I'm here to help you. Come to MEDESUN, register, and you can have an option to go for the offline or online medical coding internship. So this way, I'm going to bridge the gap between the certification and employment. Seize the golden opportunity. And our mission is to empower the medical coders with the skill. Remember, again, I'm telling the word skill, skill, skill. Only certification is not enough. So come to MEDESUN. I'm here to help you. We have a team of medical coders, team of trainers, and all our trainers are medical doctors. We are here to help you to get the skill for you to get the wonderful job and a wonderful career. Thank you.